So hello everyone, this is Neeraj. Welcome to my channel Master Tech. So in this video we'll be doing an unboxing of a product. So this is the product. So looking at this box, you will not be able to say what product is this, but I am going to tell you this is a Sonata watch which I have brought from the Flipkart. So let us see how it is. So without making any delay, let's start this video. But before starting, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also click the bell icon so that you will not be missed with any of the videos which I will be uploading later. So without making any delay, let's start this video. So now let us do the unboxing. Let us take the knife and just cut it out. The box is open. So this is the bill. I'm going to keep this aside. Empty box. Let us do this. So there it is. Let us Let us cut this off as well. So this is the box of a watch. Let us throw this. So as you can see, this is the Sonata watch which I have brought this from the Flipkart, as I said it before. So the MRP is 675, which they have mentioned on this box. So at what price did I buy, I will be telling you at the end of this video. So be till the last of this video so that you will not be miss any of the information which I will be going to share. So let us remove this disco and let us open quickly. It's a very tight box. Okay, this is the watch which I have brought it. So let us keep this aside. There is a small paper which they have provided from the company itself. So I think this is the warranty card which it is applicable. So they have written as 12 months warranty. So this is the Sonata watch which I have brought. It is a Tata product. So other than this there is nothing. So let us keep this box aside and let us come to the watch. So this is the watch. Let us remove this cover. Okay. So as you can see, this is a very simple watch which I have brought, but it's good watch as the amount which I have paid is worth, I guess. So there is a tag, same the MRP and the model number, I think so, and there is a barcode which is not necessary for us. So let us see the watch how it is. See, as you can see, this is the watch Sonata, and let us remove the cover and I will be showing you. So at the back, as you can see, it is a Sonata, a Tata product which they have mentioned 30 meters of water resistant as they have provided here. So stainless steel back, water resistant. These are the things which they have mentioned at the back. And coming to the front, so it is a simple watch as you can see. So let us remove this protective cover. Okay, see, as you can see now, this is a watch which looks quite good and very simple watch. So this watch will be useful in wearing, and actually I have brought this watch in order to wear during the exam time. As you all know, during the exam they will not be allowing to use the digital watch. So in order to use the watch during the exam, I have brought this product. Yes, as I pressed this button inside, the watch started moving. So let us wear this and check out how it looks on my hands. So this is the watch how it looks on my hands. So quite good. I'm happy with the watch. So as I have said before, during the exam time they do not allow using the digital watches during the exams. So only the normal or the simple watches they allow during the exams. So only for the exam sake I have brought this product. So if anyone from your side, anyone looking for the watch just for the exam sake, just then this is the good product which comes from the Sonata, and the price is also very reasonable. So coming to the price, I have brought this product for 642 rupees only from Flipkart. So quite amazing, quite satisfied with the product as well. So the way it looks, and so this will be helping in order to tell the time during my examination. So that's all for today guys. See you in the next video. Till there, take care and bye bye.